Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, good to have you. I hope you stick around. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to get notified every time new content is released. Today we're going to take a look at the newly released e.l.f. bite-size cheek palettes. They had just come in yesterday and I haven't even opened them up yet, but aren't they just the cutest? So cute. If you've been following along this channel, you would have seen some of the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palettes, demos, swatches, and looks I've been creating with them. I actually picked up another one. I think this is Berry Bad. Yeah, this is Berry Bad. So we'll have a video coming for this one and we'll swatch it against some luxury brand shadows to see how they compare. But generally, for the value, the palettes being $3, the eyeshadow palettes are really great value. The metallics tend to perform pretty well and consistently. The mattes depends on which palette that you got. My latest one was Pumpkin Pie, and that one I really enjoyed. It's also my favorite of the 5 different, well now 6 with Berry Bad. But out of the 6 palettes, Pumpkin Pie is my favorite. I'll link the video above for you guys. So these e.l.f. bite-size face duos comes with a matte blush and then a corresponding highlighter. And you can't really tell on camera really too much of a difference between pomegranate and this one is guava. But to the naked eye, you can see there is a shade difference here. This one, pomegranate, the highlighter that comes with it is deeper in tone, whereas guava has a bit of a pink undertone. This is white peach and this is lychee. You can see the highlighter differences a little bit more. I'm going to try to hold up all of them. Let's see if I can do that without dropping. I know I did it earlier, but I was covering part of the palette. Okay, here they are. Here they are. We will do some swatches of each of them. And for the demo today, we're going to apply 2 of the shades from 2 different palettes, so 4, highlighter plus blush. And I'm thinking off the bat, we're gonna use white peach and guava, just because they're brighter colors, more summery, and I do have a bright eye look. So yeah, I think they would be a good fit. Okay, let's start with swatching white peach. This is the blush, and this is the highlighter. I think that's a beautiful color, and I think it'll look nice and bright on my cheeks. And this is guava, the blush. Not as pigmented as I thought, and definitely not as pigmented as white peach. This is the highlighter. The highlighter looks beautiful. Ooh. Let's swatch the other 2 palettes. We have lychee, the blush, and the highlighter. I think the highlighter definitely has some purple or a deeper pink shade to match the blush. The blush is a rosy undertone. This is pomegranate, the blush. Ooh, beautiful. And the highlighter. Okay, the highlighter doesn't have as much payoff as these 3 up here, but the blush definitely seems very stunning. I love that purple too. I'm gonna go ahead and apply white peach, the blush, onto this cheek. And there is a lot of kick up. So I'm gonna just do that over the sink, tap off the excess. Okay, I think that's pretty. The color payoff is not as much as I thought. We're gonna go back for a second application here. Okay, you can definitely see it a lot more now. And then we're going to apply the highlighter. I think the highlighter is beautiful and it's a good match with the blush. Let me clean off these two brushes and then we'll apply Guava. Interesting that with Guava, there's not as much kick up, if any at all actually. We'll see how it applies. It's very soft and it's not as pigmented as White Peach, just like on the swatches, but you do get okay color payoff. I think if you go in with a second, a third application, this is my second application, you can definitely get some results in color that way. And let's apply the highlighter. I also really like this highlighter. It's very soft. This side's definitely blazing, more intense, and this side is softer. And I like that we have the same eyeshadow look, same lipstick. Depending on what blush you decide to use and what highlighter, it really changes the final result. That's what makes makeup fun. I'm going to save the other two face dual palettes for next time. Let me know below which one is more of your style, more of your color. For $3, these palettes continue to be of great value, and even though they might not be as pigmented on first application, especially for Guava, I think once you go in with a second and third time, you get what you need. The look is a little bit softer, so it's not going to be as intense in your buildup as it would be with White Peach, but I think it's great value. It fits right along with their bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you very soon. Bye.